My name is Robert with MyDeviceSpot.com, and today I want to show you a quick high-level overview on what the platform is about and kind of how it is currently working. So we're at MyDeviceSpot.com, and we're going to come to log in. And the first thing you see when you log in is a list of all of your IoT or connected devices. So we have a soil probe device. We've got a case tractor. We've got a CNC machine. So these are your devices. So we're going to go into our uh, soil probe and go to our map. And we can see here different events in the upper left that you can select from. And then you can kind of see, like, for this soil reading, it was a depth of 2 inches, nitrogen 60%, temperature is 55 degrees. You can come here, see the temp on that. Say you have a fleet status, so you have a different type of status. You come up here. So this has like oil temperature, speed, fault codes, and basically we have these events are configurable, client defined. So you're going to be able to create these for whatever application you want. So I'm going to really quickly we're gonna go into that feature a little bit. So here's our soil reading, battery status. If you want to create a new event, uh, and let's say create a soil sample. Key, is it location based? Yes. And again, you create like depth in inches, D, and that's gonna be a float, uh, compaction, PSI, PSI, float. So you basically create these data templates, create your attribute, and then what you do is you go to your device, and if we take a look at this in the emulator, soil sample, I believe, soil sample. So this is an emulator that kind of helps. It acts as your device, so your device ID, and it drops an event on the IoT hub. And in this example payload, this is going to be the payload that you as like a firmware developer, or any hardware developer, you create this payload and you send it, you drop it on an IoT hub, an Azure IoT hub, and then we are going to be listening to your IoT hub, and we're going to create this rich mapping functionality around that. Um, so that is how you do the attribute templates. The other thing is, again, the data sources. So you create an Azure IoT hub, and then you come here and you add your IoT hub to our application, and then you're able to benefit. We'll listen to the events, and then we can like pull them in and aggregate them and do all these different things. Um, so right now we basically just have a map, but we're going to be adding onto that and have alerting, much richer dashboarding, and some interesting third-party integrations. So stay tuned for more. It's a pretty exciting time, and have a good one.